when them girls know they come.
Yeah, what's up guys, my name is Way Forward. Welcome to my Visual Basic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about a simple function in Visual Basic which is called the replace function. So what the replace does is to get a text and also replace the text with another text. I think we understand what replace is. So let's do a simple example. So now I'm still using the same example I've used for the lowercase and then on the lowercase. So now let's say I want to replace a text. So the text in here is what I want to replace, so I need to call the function replace. You can see replace this and then replace what is in num1. Okay, it is gonna be like let's say replace what is in num1 with this, with let's say hello. So anything present in num1, replace it with this. So a text is gonna be like this. So it's gonna be like this. This is gonna be num1. So a text is the string I declared to hold the replacement of this text. So replace it with what is in the text with hello. So anything typed in this box is going to be replaced with hello. Let's say I write junior is going to be replaced with hello. You can see with hello. So let's do the replace function itself. So instead of using this num1, let's say we say uncle, uncle, uncle. So it's going to be in a quotation mark, also a quotation mark. So anything present in this text box, any uncle present in this text box will be replaced with hello. So now let's type uncle way forward, then we should have hello way forward. So you can see we have successfully replaced what is in here with hello. You can see we have uncle here and then we have hello. If we say hi uncle way forward, then we can say hi hello way forward. So that is a simple way on how to use the replace function. Thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace out.
I'm around. I remember when I had no money in my bank account. I remember when this